Hey everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm artistammaramazari and this is my anime illustration. So let's start. The illustration depicts an anime style portrait with a striking pink hair rendered in bold, expressive brush strokes of red and pink shades that give the hair a vibrant, energetic texture. The figure has a light pink complexion, expressive brown eyes with a confident gaze, and a subtle smile that suggests a playful or mischievous personality. The background is a solid brown color that contrasts with the vivid foreground. Attention on the character. The character wears a blue upper, adding a dynamic, fairy detail to the attire. Hope you will loved it. Please subscribe and share with others. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.